Guys, I got a unique toy here. Really cool. It's SpongeBob SquarePants, but this is the toy they made, I think, for the episode Ripped Pants, where his pants rips. Oh, okay, it says it right there. Based on TV episode 2. See back for details. We'll look at that after, but ages 4 plus. There's a sticker there that says "Try Me." It's got the original sticker. Front kind of got cracked a bit, but overall the toy is nice. I always try to keep my boxes nice and mint. Yeah, there's a switch on his left side of his foot, and you gotta turn it on. In this case, I have it already set, so I'm gonna play some of his phrases for you guys here. You press this button here.
At least it's all behind me now.
Has a guitar, funny laugh, very hilarious. You could press that button too.
This is what you call a real ripoff. This is so embarrassing. At least it's all behind me now. At least I wore my good underwear. Hello, world and all its inhabitants.
I believe the voice actor for him is Tom Kenny.
I thought that I had everybody on my
All right.
side, but I went through it all sky high, and now you won't even dare a glance, all just because I hit my pants. I know I didn't know what I did, but the pain feels so much worse. You wanted up to know what is a long time, then a turn from the sun, or turning the sun. Now I learned a lesson I never forget. So listen, you will be glad. Between yourself, don't make your case. And you won't end up like a fool Haven't you ever seen a sponge brush before?
Very cool toy. I like how he gets embarrassed after he ripped his pants there. Which emulates how his face turns red. Very funny. I like this toy. Came out in 2005. Really nice. SpongeBob sings the Rip Pants song. You just seen that, guys. There's another Try Me sticker. There's the side of the box. Cool pictures. I really like the way they made this. By it was on that TV station there, Nickelodeon. SpongeBob SquarePants. All right, let's see what this says. Episode facts. Rip Pants. Seems that SpongeBob can't keep Sandy's attention away from Larry. That is until he ripped his pants. SpongeBob is suddenly the most popular guy in Goo Lagoon. Unfortunately, he keeps ripping his pants over and over again just to get a cheap laugh. Uh-oh, sounds like the cue for a song. Alright, there's some questions. A question on the back. Test your episode knowledge. How does SpongeBob answer his own question? Why does SpongeBob need a tailor? Turn upside down for answer. It looks like it says because he ripped his pants. There's the answer. She was asking, there's a French version there translated. But delivery, did you order 20 cases of Rip Pants? There's another phrase that he says. There's instructions on how to take the bottom off and then put the batteries in. Screwdriver. Yeah, this is a really cool toy. Any collector that likes SpongeBob would really like this. And there Very, very, very cool. Now I'll show you some photos from inside. As you can see there, you can see them laughing at his ripped pants. And if you move him, you can see more photos from the back. Very, very cool how they did that. I like that. Very cool. And he's rubber. I like how they made his nose like it was in the movie. Really cool. Well, thank you guys. Hope you liked this video. Like if you did, share it to your friends, show them how cool this toy is. Because I'm sure they wouldn't want to miss out on this. Alright, thank you guys. Bye bye.